Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to select and copy all layers in Photoshop. Okay. First of all, select the single layers and select the multiple layers. Hold Control and select multiple random layers or select all layer. Select layer anywhere. Hold Shift, then select last layers. Then automatically selected all layers. Copy the layers, the on layers, hold Alter, drag it layer. Now see this copy all layers for this layer. Okay, hold Control Z for back. Copy the another layer. Hold Control Z. Oh sorry, hold Control Z for copy all layers. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.